In this video, we'll show you everything you can't miss in Positano, one of the most famous and charming towns on Italy's Amalfi Coast. You'll learn about essential tours, must-see attractions, how much everything costs, where to get tickets at the best prices, shopping tips, nightlife, restaurants, and more. So, let's dive in. Positano is an unforgettable destination known for its colorful houses cascading down steep cliffs overlooking the crystal-clear Mediterranean Sea. Often called one of the world's most beautiful towns, Positano enchants visitors with its romantic atmosphere and refined vibe. Start your visit by strolling through the charming narrow streets filled with local shops leading down to Spiaggia Grande, Positano's main beach. This iconic spot offers stunning views and is free to access, but sunbeds and umbrellas can be rented for about €25 a day. Around the beach, you'll find plenty of restaurants, bars, and gelato shops. Another fantastic beach to visit is Fornillo, just a 15-minute walk from Spiaggia Grande. Quieter and with crystal-clear water, Fornillo provides a more relaxed setting. Access is free, and sunbeds cost around €20 per day. Boat tours along the Amalfi Coast are a highlight here, usually passing through Amalfi, Capri, and the Emerald Grotto. Tours last about 6 hours and typically cost around €60 per person, providing breathtaking coastal views. In the heart of Positano, don't miss the Church of Santa Maria Assunta. Known for its colorful dome and Byzantine Madonna icon, this church is a town landmark and offers free entry. Adventurers should hike the Path of the Gods, Sentiero degli Dei, a spectacular trail linking the nearby village of Bomarano to Positano. The hike lasts about 4 hours with stunning coastal views. The path is free, but hiring a guide or transportation to the starting point costs around €20. In the description, we've included a link to the site where we buy all our tickets and tours. It's the largest in the world, has the best prices, and offers great free walking tours too. Here you'll also find discounted travel insurance, affordable international SIM cards, great hotels we've stayed in, cheap car rentals, and a global card to save on exchange fees. All links have automatic discounts, so save them to simplify your trip. Another popular excursion is a day trip to Capri. Ferries depart daily from Positano for around €40 round trip. Capri is renowned for luxury boutiques, incredible landscapes, the Blue Grotto, and the famous Gardens of Augustus. The ferry trip takes about 40 minutes each way and is well worth the cost. Consider also visiting Amalfi and Ravello, charming towns close to Positano. Amalfi is just 30 minutes away, and Ravello about an hour by car. Both offer historic architecture, beautiful cathedrals, and panoramic views. We'll include tour reservation links below. For shopping, Positano is famous for elegant boutiques and exclusive crafts, custom clothing, hand-painted ceramics, handmade leather sandals, and limoncello, a local lemon liqueur. If you spend over €155, remember to ask for your tax-free refund form. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Our mission is helping you travel more, better, and cheaper. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like. It really helps us. Nightlife in Positano is sophisticated rather than wild. The best spots are near Spiaggia Grande, such as Franco's Bar, known for refined cocktails and stunning views. For a livelier option, Music on the Rocks nightclub, set inside a natural cave, charges around €30 depending on the season. Gastronomy is a highlight in Positano. Fresh seafood, pasta with Amalfi lemons, and lemon risotto are must-tries. Top recommendations include Da Vincenzo, about €25 per dish, Ristorante Max, around €30 per person, and La Sponda at Lee Sirenus Hotel for an upscale experience, about €50 per person. Regarding accommodation, staying near Spiaggia Grande and Positano's historic center is ideal. With easy access to beaches, restaurants, and attractions, we've created a personalized map showing the best area. You'll find it in the description and first comment, along with links to our preferred hotel booking site for excellent prices and free cancellations. Booking ahead guarantees better rates. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more travel tips to help you explore the world better and cheaper. Thanks, and have an amazing trip.